How to remove reflection from photo on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To use this feature, make sure your Samsung device running the latest software version. Now first of all, open the phone gallery on your Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the gallery application. Now select any photo you want to remove reflection. Here we select this photo. Now tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Tap the details at the top. Now you can find the erase reflection option. Tap on erase reflection. Now you can see reflection erase. You can see totally change the photo on your device. Tap on a save. Tap on a save copy. Now compare this photo. Now this is the original photo and this is the after reflection photo. You can see the totally changes in a photo. So quite easy to remove reflection from your image on a Samsung S24 Ultra and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.
Daddy, आणि पैसा तो नाही.